Most students fail this TOEFL task not because it is difficult, but because they approach it the wrong way. They try to arrange words quickly, they guess, they panic. But this task is not about guessing, it's about a structure. In this lesson, you'll learn exactly how this task works, and more importantly, how to solve it step by step with a clear system. By the end of this video, you'll be able to look at any question and know exactly what to do. Let's begin. In TOEFL Writing Task 1, Build a Sentence, you're given a short exchange, one complete sentence, one incomplete sentence, and a list of words. Your job is simple. Use the given words to form one correct sentence. You'll usually answer about 10 questions, and each answer is either correct or incorrect. There is no partial score. Important rule: some words may be extra. You don't have to use all of them. This task is not just about vocabulary. It tests sentence structure, word order, auxiliary verbs, tense control, subject-verb agreement, question formation, and understanding of context. So your answer must be correct in grammar and meaning. Let's see a simple example. Speaker A: why didn't you attend the lecture? Speaker B: there are words given. All day, had, I, busy, been. Now think step by step. The subject is I, verb had been, time all day. So the correct sentence: I had been busy all day. This is correct because it matches grammar, tense, and context. Listen carefully. This is the most important rule. Do not arrange words immediately. This is the biggest mistake students make. Before you touch the words, you must understand the situation. Always follow this order. Number 1, understand the context. Number 2, identify the sentence type. Number 3, find subject and verb. Number 4, you can arrange. Every correct answer must pass 2 checks. Number 1, grammar correctness. Number 2, context correctness. For example, Speaker A: why didn't you call me? The wrong answer: I am busy. The correct answer: I was busy. You may ask why. Because the question is in the past. So the golden structure: grammar plus context equals a correct answer. Now, here is your full system. Follow these steps every time. Number 1, read the sentence carefully. Number 2, identify the purpose. Number 3, identify sentence type. Number 4, find the subject. Number 5, find the main verb. Number 6, check tense and auxiliary. Number 7, arrange the words. Number 8, remove extra words. Number 9, read again. Number 10, confirm grammar and meaning. This is not guessing. This is structured thinking. Now that you understand the system, it's time to apply it to real TOEFL questions. We'll solve them step by step, and you'll see exactly how this system works in practice. First sentence: I'm thinking about volunteering at the city animal shelter this summer. The second sentence: there are words given. Volunteers usually have responsibilities, do, and what. Let's do it step by step. This is a WH question. I mean, an interrogative sentence. Starts with what. It's a WH word. Number 2, the auxiliary verb is do. Number 3, the subject is volunteers, a plural noun, the subject of the sentence. The verb is have, the main verb, in base form. The adverb, usually, an adverb of frequency. The object, responsibilities, it's a direct object. So the final answer is, what responsibilities do volunteers usually have there? The common mistake is What do volunteers usually have responsibilities there? Why wrong? Because of the word order. The question structure has not been correctly used. Are you joining the debate club meeting tonight? The second sentence, there are several blanks and a word today. Words given, the lab report, finish, do, that's, I, will, if. Let's understand it step by step. The subject is I. We also see will and if. This shows a conditional structure. So the main part is I will. And the condition is if I finish the lab report that is due today. Break it. If conjunction, I, subject, finish, main verb, the lab report, object, that is due today is the extra information. The final answer, I will if I finish the lab report that is due today. Structure is correct, meaning is also clear. The first sentence, I'm heading to the library. The second sentence, it starts with didn't, and then we see several blanks, and there is a question mark. Words given, the library, not, is, closed, here, and you. Let's get it step by step. We see didn't. This is a negative question. Start with, didn't you hear? Didn't is auxiliary verb, you is the subject, here main verb. Now complete the idea. The library is closed for renovations. The final answer, didn't you hear? The library is closed for renovations. The important point is, not is extra. It's already inside didn't. The first sentence, I can't open the files. Second sentence, I'm not sure. There are several blanks. Words given, you don't, access, because, why, have. Let's understand it step by step. The main structure is I am not sure, because this is the main clause. Now we need a clause after it. Start with why. This introduces the idea. Then you don't have access. You, subject, don't have verb in negative form. Access is the object. So the final answer, I'm not sure why you don't have access. Important point, this is not a direct question. So the correct order is why you don't have access. The wrong order is why do you not have access? Because is extra. Remove it. From these examples, we can clearly see this task checks question formation, structure, logic, and ability to remove extra words. This is not guessing, this is a system. When you see a question, do not rush, do not guess, do not use all words automatically. Instead, identify the structure, build step by step, check grammar, check context. Accuracy is everything. Now let's talk about timing. Most students try to go fast from the beginning. This is a mistake. You must train your brain in stages. Stage 1, take your time. Focus only on accuracy. Think step by step. Build the habit of correct thinking. Stage 2, now reduce your time. Try to apply the same system faster. Do not skip steps, just perform them quicker. Stage 3, at this stage, your brain works automatically. You see the structure quickly. You organize patterns instantly. Important point, speed comes from repetition, not pressure. So the golden rule is accuracy, speed, mastery. In the next lesson, we'll go deeper into more advanced examples and more difficult traps that students usually miss. You can also find a PDF of this lesson in the description. Download it and practice, because in this task, understanding shows you the way. Practice builds your skill.